Welcome to 60-second face yoga. I'm going to be showing you two techniques which really help to depuff the whole face. The first one is called the lion technique. So on your next inhalation, you're going to tense up the face and you're going to tense up the hands as well. And then as you breathe out, you're going to open your hands, open your eyes, stick out your tongue and go. Let's take that again, closing our eyes, hold the face and hands tight, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. This really just helps to stretch out any tension and tightness in the face. You can then take all your fingers and you can tap all the way over the forehead area. This just helps with any puffiness, just helps with any toxin removal, also just helps to boost the circulation, boost the collagen elastin in the face. A great one to do if your skin ever looks a little bit tired, a little bit puffy. Really good to do when you wake up in the morning. Just finish off on the neck there and just bring the hands down.